Hey guys, what's up? I'm Rohit, my host on Click Digest, and today we have with us the Tecno Phantom 9. This phone is special in many respects. It has a lot of features in the price segment that are hard to find in this price segment. So this phone is priced at 15,000 rupees. I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section from where you can buy it. And in 15,000 rupees, it gives you some really interesting features. So let me start with the specs. It gives you 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of ROM, and this is standard. So there is only one variant that they are selling or they have launched in India. It also comes with AI triple camera and in-display fingerprint scanner with AMOLED display, which is in fact interesting in this price segment. You would not find this in the price segment that you are purchasing this phone in. But it is not all perfect. There are some downsides as well. One good thing about this phone is that it comes with one-time screen replacement, and it comes with 13 months of warranty instead of 12, and there is 100 days free screen replacement that has been provided on this phone, which is a good thing. It has some interesting features and design elements, so let me show you after I open the box. And this box looks slightly different. The color is quite different. It's sort of a metallic color, and here it has a big 9. It is Phantom 9. It is sort of their flagship product, and here the product packaging also has the silver theme or this metallic theme. Here you have the SIM removal tool. It has the warranty manuals and a back case which is flexible, but this is opaque black color and feels interesting. It is sort of a sandstone finish when you touch it. And here is the phone in the box. It is again wrapped in this metallic color plastic, and it has all these features mentioned here. It has a pre-applied screen protector, sort of this rainbow effect on the screen protector. I don't know how good or bad it is, but it is applied, so you don't need to go and buy a screen protector in the market. It is already applied on the phone. And the back here looks quite interesting. It has this gradient finish, as you can see. Starts from dark purple to blue to sky blue here, and it has this triple camera setup at the back. This is the display, which is a 6.4-inch FHD plus AMOLED display. I'll keep this to the side for a moment and show you what else is there in the box. So here you have a data cable, which is USB to micro USB, and you have a wall charger which comes with 5V 2A or 10W rating, and these are the earphones. Interestingly, rest of the accessories are white and this one is black. This is a 3.5mm earphone and the quality seems just about okay. And this is plastic. Feels a bit cheap. I'll just keep it to the side and let's get back to the phone here. And the first thing that I notice is that the display here feels quite well saturated and vibrant. This is a Super AMOLED, and Super AMOLEDs are generally more saturated compared to the LCDs. On the right hand side of the phone there is this power key towards the lower side, and on top is the volume rocker, which looks like two discrete keys, but they are not actually. They are one single rocker. Here is the secondary mic hole, and this side is the SIM card tray. Let me quickly pop this out for you. This phone uses a triple card slots, which means that you can expand the memory as well as use two SIM cards at the same time, so there is no restriction in that sense. And on the bottom is 3.5mm audio port, microphone, charging port, and the speaker grill here. And this is where the display is, and this is a 32 megapixel front facing camera, and there are two LED flashlights up front. I'll show you that in the camera test very quickly. And on the rear is the Tecno branding, Phantom branding, and here you have triple camera setup. You have a 16 megapixel primary with 8 megapixel wide and a 2 megapixel depth sensor with quad LED flash that has been provided. There is Tecno branding and Phantom branding over here. So that's the physical overview. Let me quickly set this up and come back with camera test and more details. And we have completed the setup, and here we are at the home screen. We have set up the in-display fingerprint scanner as well as the face unlock, and as you can see, so this is probably unlocking using my face. As soon as I press the power key, it reads my face and unlocks. So let me hide behind my camera and now try the fingerprint scanner. And the fingerprint scanner also seems to be working okay. It's not as good as you would find on the flagships, but it does work, and I would say it's not bad. The speed of the face unlock, however, is quite impressive and is very fast, and it works fine. It uses a Helio P35 chip, and with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM. The processor here is honestly not very fast. It is a mediocre chip and gives you mediocre performance, but you would not find any difficulty using for day-to-day tasks. It has this default AI mode, and then you have beauty mode. You can go to the bokeh, which uses the secondary or the depth sensor. So let me try placing these at some distance and try if it works. So yeah, the bokeh mode also works, and this is the 32 megapixel front facing camera. So let me put it in the AI cam, and there is this flash option, so you can turn on these two flashlights on top to take pictures when you are taking these shots in dark. And then you have the HDR, which is set to automatic. Then you have the beauty mode, and then you have the portrait mode, and then you have AR and wide selfie, in which you twist it like this and then you take shots. So let me show you the results that we have gotten. This is the portrait. This is a 32 megapixel selfie, and it actually captures a lot of detailing of the face, which is nice. Let me show you other shots. This is the one with the beauty mode on, so it has tried to smoothen the skin a little bit compared to this one. And this is the normal 32 megapixel selfie, which captures good amount of details. There is some graininess that is creeping in. And then you have this bokeh mode with the rear facing camera, which looks fine to me. The results look good. The saturation of the object on the screen is not very realistic. It is oversaturated, and that is a trait of the Super AMOLED or AMOLED displays that we have seen. So the display here is quite good. The performance of the phone overall is alright, it's average, but if you're looking for a phone which comes with so much memory and does not cost too much, at only around 15,000 rupees price point with 6 GB of RAM, you can get a phone which can give you a decent enough performance. It comes with a 3500 mAh battery, triple camera setup, Android 9, face unlock, and the design also looks quite impressive. And it gives you dedicated SD card slot as well. So there is a lot going on in favor of the Tecno Phantom 9. So would you pick it up for 15,000 rupees? Let me know. I think it's a good buy at that price. You can check out the Best Buy links in the description section below, where I'm leaving them so that you can pick it up at good discount. This is all we have on this quick video and a quick test of the Tecno Phantom 9. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Stay subscribed. This is your host Rohit Purana signing off. Thanks for watching.